How to zoom in or zoom out in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free tutorial. Go to your file bin and then drag in the video clip that you want to zoom in and that you want to zoom out. And then keep existing settings or change it if you'd like. Click on the video clip and then go under to Effects Control Panel. And then I'm zooming in on the timeline. Pick the part of the video clip that you want to zoom in or to zoom out. And I'm adding a cut by clicking C right before the video goes onto the next scene. Click the beginning of the video clip and then go under to Effects Control Panel and then click right here, Position and Scale. And then click at the end of the video clip and then zoom in by clicking this right here and dragging it to the right or to the left. Right zooms in, left zooms out. And this is the before. And this is the after. To zoom out of the video clip, you can apply the same principle. Click on the video clip and see where you want to zoom in and zoom out. I'm adding a cut again at the beginning, see on the keyboard. And then I'm adding a cut at the end of the video clip where I want it to zoom out. I'm using the up arrow key and the down arrow key to go to the beginning and then the end of our new selected video clip that we want to zoom out. Click on the video clip, click Effects Control, and then do the same exact thing, position and scale, except we're applying the logic that we want to zoom out here. So in this case, I have it 134. And at the end of the video clip, we want it to zoom out. And let's say 103. So this is the before. And this is the after effect. Notice how the video is zooming out. If you notice the difference on both the zooming in and then the zoom out effect, there is a slight difference, but you can apply this onto different video clips. Thanks for watching this free tutorial. If you want to see more free video editing tutorials like this, drop this video a like, share the video, comment down below, and subscribe or follow, and I'm out. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.